Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales.
Welcome back.
Today we have what we promised already, guys. We have dinner on a budget.
Yes.
And what's the budget today?
$10.
$10, guys.
I'm so excited.
Why?
Because it's super quick, number one.
Okay.
Number two, $10 and it's delicious.
Well, and what do we have here today? Because this is a full surprise for me.
Yeah, these are country style pork ribs.
Ooh.
Yes.
Delicious.
Oh yeah.
And I see a bunch of other stuff here. What else we're gonna have for dinner?
Oh yeah, we're gonna have a Panamanian style potato salad.
I know that one.
Yeah.
It's good. All right, I mean, this is looking good. Let's see if we can make it. Let's go for it.
Let's go. Okay, guys. Ninja Foodi is being preheated already with a cup of water. Our potatoes, they're already been peeled and cut in pieces. So let's go ahead and set them up. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do now is put our potatoes inside our Ninja. Let's go ahead and do it. We have about 8 small potatoes cut in pieces. And we're going to add about a teaspoon of salt. Line up your lid. Twist. Pressure. High. 1 minute. See you guys back in 1 minute. That's it. Okay, guys, potatoes are done. So let's go open up our Ninja Foodi. Look at that. They're done. Let's just go ahead and drain them out. Put some cold water so it stops cooking the potatoes. Otherwise, we're gonna end up with mashed potatoes. We have here 8 small potatoes. That's $1.83. We have half a cup of green peas. That's about 84 cents. Half a can of beets, which is 77 cents. What I like to do is take my mayo. We have 1.5 cup of mayo here. We're gonna put some pepper and salt to taste. Let's put our mayo with our potatoes, our beets, and our green peas. So let's start mixing with a spatula so we don't ruin our potatoes. And that's it. This is done. Let's put them in the refrigerator and start working on our country style ribs. Let's start seasoning our beautiful country style pork ribs. Make sure you put salt. Now let's get some pepper, some garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, both sides. Flip them over and season the other side. Make sure you season both of them, both sides. By the way, this ribs here, it's $5.79. Let's go ahead and sear and saute our beautiful ribs. Okay, guys, Ninja's been preheated. Let's put some oil, regular oil, not olive oil. Oh, hear that? Shh. I love it, love it, love it. Go. The next piece. We're gonna sear them both sides and brown them at the same time. So let's give it a few minutes on each side. Look at those brown colors. Look at the bottom, how gorgeous. So they're being seared already. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to deglaze the bottom using a cup of beef broth. There we go. And we're gonna scrape everything from the bottom. And now we're going to add a bunch of culantro and parsley. If you guys cannot find culantro in your area, you can use some cilantro. We're just gonna put them in there. And we're gonna use 2 garlic cloves. Just put them in the corner. And that's it. And we're gonna go ahead and set up our pressure cooker for 25 minutes. Press pressure. High is the temperature. Time is gonna be 25 minutes. And we'll see you back in 25 minutes. So 25 minutes passed by. We did a quick release. So let's go ahead and take a look at our beautiful country style ribs. Let's go. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Well, guys, what do you think about this one?
This is beautiful.
This thing is melting by itself. I mean, it was tough just to take it out of the pot.
Yep.
This is crazy, man. The tenderness on this thing is amazing.
Yep,
just-
but before we keep going,
What happened?
here's your change. What you got there?
2 pennies?
Yes.
All right.
He gave me $10
Yep.
to create a meal,
Yep.
a complete meal for 4 people. And here it is, guy. And it's beautiful, it's colorful, it's tasteful. I mean, look at this. Look at this.
Oh,
What do you think?
There's plenty of food in here.
A
Plenty
lot.
of food.
A lot. A lot.
So, $10, huh?
$10.
That's what it is.
That's it.
But I'm dying, guys. My mouth is watering. I'm going crazy with this thing. I want to try it so hard. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be tough just to bring it here. Oh, I know you guys don't care too much about this potato salad, but this thing is delicious, guys.
Let me tell you something. This is a very typical Panamanian potato salad.
Yeah.
And we make this they make it for weddings. We have them at the carnivals, everywhere. And the color, it makes it so special, so special.
All right, let me get my fork and cut this thing in half, just like that.
Look at that.
Oh, I'm salivating. I'm going crazy with this thing.
All right.
Oh my gosh, this thing is not short of delicious.
There you go.
Man, this thing is so good. Listen to this. Affordable, $10.
Yeah.
Dinner for 4,
Yes.
check. And less than half an hour, check.
Yes.
What else you want? This is amazing. And this is a new season we're starting here on the channel. We're gonna challenge ourselves to do $10 meals for 4 people, or $10 dinners for 4 people.
Yes.
That's what we're going for. Next week is gonna be another video the same way, and like that. You know, we're trying to bring it up and make everybody understand that you don't have to spend a lot of money to have a beautiful dinner.
This is just gorgeous. And it's an everyday meal for 4 people. $10? Where? We have 8 medium potatoes, here. 8 of them. And this thing, you can get 1 portion, 2 portions, 3, 4, 5. You can get up to 6 portions out of this with all the ingredients and everything. And I brought you change back, honey.
Yeah.
You love me more?
I love you a lot.
2 pennies. Hey, 100 pennies make $1.
So I'm gonna leave you there, guys. We have to go because we have to finish this dinner. This is our dinner today.
Yes.
So if you like it, please hit us with a like.
Likes.
If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel.
It's free and hit the bell.
Don't forget to hit the bell because you won't get notified if you don't do it.
That's right.
And if you have anything to say, any comment, any idea, any complaint, anything, put it down there in the comments. Also, in the video description, we're putting everything that we use
Yes.
in all our recipes. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.
And like I always said, the family that cooks together,
Stay
together.
Love you.
We love you.